Which one's
Well, let's take a look.
Hello.
I already knew, but
This is my first quick capture. Obviously at my dad's house.
Now let's see.
Let's see. What can I say? I can only make these things when I'm at my dad's house. That's my dad and my sister in the back. Justin.
Rule 3. Take 39 cards from the middle of the deck, put each in half, then mill back
Rita, if you see this one, now you get a video of your own. Well, not exactly of your own, but oh yeah. So enjoy. Kind of bored. Just saw a bunch of like scary stuff a few minutes ago, so I don't know.
I don't, but
Let me see if I can do something funny with this thing. I know I can. Just give me 2 seconds. There we go. See, I can do funny things too. Alright, I'm kind of bored. So Rita, if you see this video, thanks for helping me out through, you know, when I was really, really depressed. Not right now, of course. And give me a call sometime. So I'll check you later, and I'll check all you people in TV land later.